Welcome to Multiverse. Right now, I'm going to explain this ratio problem that you're not familiar with. Okay, let's see. The ratio of the number of tables and chairs in Food Court West 3:7, which means that a table is 3 units and then chairs is 7 units. Okay? And then after 20 tables and 280 chairs were added. Okay, at that time, the ratio became what? 2:7. So we need to find how many tables and chairs were there in the food court at first. Okay, so the question looks simple, but it is not. So let's see how to solve. Okay, table T, and then chair C. Table is 3 units, and then chair is 7 units. This is at first. Okay, so we have to add how many tables? 20. And then we have to add how many chairs? Yes, 280. Okay, if we add like this, so the ratio became what? Table 2, and then chair is 7. So that's it. By using these, we have to find the solution. Okay, so what should we do? In this problem, the main point is we have to change the total same. So look at that. Total is 2 and 7. Why do we need to change to be same total? Because we need an equation. Without an equation, we cannot solve this. So what equation you will see later? Okay, let's see. First thing first, 2 and 7. What is the first common multiple? It is 14. Okay, so let's change to be same total 14. So 2 to 14. What happened? It is times 7. And then 7 to 14, what happened? It is times 2. Okay, hey, this 2 is the total of tables in the end. And then this 7 is the total of chairs in the end too. That's why if you multiply these 2 by 7, you have to multiply this 3 by 7 too. So 3 times 7 is 21. Not only that, you have to multiply this 20 by 7 too. 20 times 7 is 140. Okay? So right now, the total 7 units, you multiply by 2. Not only that, you have to multiply this 7 by 2, 14. This 280 by 2, it is 560. You got it? So what is the table equation? So everyone look at this. Table equation is at first 21 units. And then if we add 140, the total is 14 units. Okay, here 21, 140, 14, just like that. Okay, what about chair? The chair is at first 14 units. If we add 560, so the total is 14 units. Look at these two equations. In these two equations, 14 units, same. That's why we can make it same these two too. Are you clear? So that's why 21 unit plus 140 is equal to 14 units plus 560. Right now, we got equation. So this is very important. Okay, so we are trying to get this equation. So right now we got it. So let's solve. Okay, 21 unit is 21 units. So this 14 unit on the other side minus 14 units. Are you clear? Equal to 560 is 560. And then 140 on the other side minus 140. So minus 140. So let's solve this. 21 minus 14 is what? Yes, 7 units. 560 minus 140 is what? Yes, 420. You got it? So 7 unit is 420. For 1 unit, 420 divided by 7 is 60. So we get 1 unit. What do we need to find? Tables and chairs at first. How many tables and chairs? Hey, the question is not mentioning all together. If the question is mentioning all together, we have to find the total of tables and chairs. Right now, there is no all together, so we have to find separately. Okay? So table is how many units here? 3 units. Yes. So that's why 1 unit is 60. For 3 units, it is 180. We got the answer for table. And then what about chairs? Chair is 7 units. Okay. So for 7 units, 1 unit is 60. For 7 units, 420. Okay. We have found this already here. Are you clear? Finally, we got the answer. Okay, the answer is how many tables? 180 tables. Okay, and then how many chairs? 420 chairs. That's the answer, everyone. We are done. Okay, so in this problem, so we have to make the equation. Here, this one. Okay, to get this equation, what do we need to do mainly? We have to change to be saying total like this. This is the way to solve. Okay? If you see such kind of question, you have to follow these steps. I hope this video can help you a lot. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye-bye.